Water.
Okay. Oh my gosh. This one's really deep. Okay. That was very deep. Maybe you're gonna have to come back through here. Oh my gosh, there's so much. Why did I tell you to go through here? Careful. Careful here. Okay. Oh my god, there's so much water. That's what you were looking for? It's funny. Careful with the little dips.
Guys, I'm really impressed with the Mazda CX-50. It's outperforming my expectations.
So bumpy. Oh, careful.
Yo, this water's going everywhere. Water.
Okay. Oh my god, so much water.
I can't believe this thing is actually doing it. Like, what the hell?
Oh my gosh. Yeah, you're gonna have to come back through all this, you know that, right?
More fun. At least we know we can go the first way, right?
This is good, honey. Turn right here. You're good. Careful. Okay, you've done this a million times.
Okay. Alright, now we're getting deep.
Okay.
It's pretty deep. But fuck it.
Last one. Whoa. Okay.
How are you gonna turn around? Yeah, let's find a spot to turn. I can't turn here.
Cause you've passed like 3 of them.
Okay. It's fine. Okay, we're gonna turn. I have service here, so we're good. Let's keep going. Uh-oh. Getting a little soft sand action. I can turn here if you guys want. What do you guys think?
Yes, you're gonna have to go back through all that again.
Okay, let's turn.
puts the seatbelt on. Just be careful. Don't go.
I know what I'm doing.
Okay, but careful because you can hit the bottom. You're not that high.
Hold on tight. Hold on tight, kids.
Oh no, this is the biggest one. Oh my god. Oh!
Come on, we're good, we're good. Come on, baby. We're good. All ready?
Okay. Careful. I feel like you're gonna hit the bottom.
I think you already did.
I know, you gotta be careful.
Go a little bit to the front. A little bit front. Give them some more POVs. I don't think anyone's ever driven a Mazda CX-50 like this, so make sure you drop a like and subscribe if you're new. Get to the left too. Bro, for this. This is the best trail right here, for sure. This is the best one. All right, here, ready? Get your side.
Holy shit.
Oh no, we're gonna need a very nice wash.
Oh, it's like chocolate milk.
Ew.
That's nasty.
Oh my gosh, it's gonna take you 5 car washes to get it clean. Oh, okay. Okay. Very bumpy road. Too bumpy for me.
What was that?
I swear I just saw something in my corner of my eye.
Stop!
I
Don't
saw it
scare
too.
me.
I swear, we both saw something at the same time.
What? Stop!
Alright,
Get
we're
out
getting
of
we're
here
getting
now.
Let's go. Nah, there was something like standing there.
Stop!
Let's go. Let's go. I mean, get us.
No, stop.
Me and Wasi both saw it at the same
something.
time.
I don't know what it was though.
I don't want to find out.
Stop. You guys are scaring me.
Let's go. Come on, Mazo.
Mazda, I know he's putting you through shit right now, but pull through for us. Whoa. So much water.
This is definitely my favorite thing.
This is what you were looking for. Oh,
The other one was boring.
oh my gosh. Oh,
I'm actually so impressed with this Mazda CX-50. Yeah, my GoPro.
the water is going high. Look at that. Oh my god. Oh no. Oh my gosh. Whoa. It feels like a roller coaster. Oh. Oh. Wanna knock that size. Whoa.
The road's right there. And we could go here.
No, that's not. Insane.
Wow, this is far.
Service.
It's actually nice though.
Scenic. We ended up turning around because I wasn't sure how to coordinate my map or my compass because we have no connection whatsoever, so getting back would be a little bit difficult. So we're gonna find a different trail and see if we can go deeper and find a bear to attack us.
I think these don't go slow.
This shit is deep, bro. You guys want to keep going? Even the map, look at the map is dying out.
Yeah.
Look, show the map. Yeah, you see it.
Let me try to see if I can find it there.
I think we should turn around. What do you think? We're pretty deep. Okay, let's turn around. What do you think? We're deep as hell, dude.
Bro, it's the point of a trail, bro.
Okay.
Probably not.
Honey, get a different.
It's 100. It's 100 plus miles of forest.
That's what it said?
Mhm.
100 miles?
Mhm.
I mean, you
There was the other side too, though,
Yeah,
so I'm
you-
sure there's. It's saying like
Loop?
all around. I don't know.
could like.
Oh! Ooh, that was deep. Go down. Oh, that looks so sketchy. At nighttime, this would be crazier.
Whoa.
Puddles. There you go.
The trail's getting smaller now.
Looks like it. We just found clothes on the side of the trail. Either they're squatters or somebody got killed by a bear, a black bear. We're not gonna stick around and find out. It's not working. Shit. Yeah, we have no signal.
No, we're in the middle of the woods, bro.
That's what they're talking about, the potholes. Oh, shit.
This is 74 though.
Yeah. Oh, no, you're right. This is the wrong trail, but it's
There
fine.
was one right across too. I don't know what number that was.
It's fine. This looks pretty safe. Whoa. Go a little slower. Okay, this shit is deep. So, No, that's why it's called easy. Because it's a trail. We just want to test out the. We don't want to push the limits and get stuck. But wow, these woods are deep. It's fogging up my windshield.
Where's the bear?
Don't ask for it; it'll come.
I want to see a bear actually.
Be careful what you wish for. You might just get it.